Thank you for joining me. If you haven't seen the news, the ANC has achieved a major breakthrough in its negotiations in forming the government of national unity. So, just in brief, the Fikile Mbalula gave a press briefing yesterday. The ANC said on Thursday it has made a major and significant breakthrough in its efforts to create a government of national unity. Its negotiators will work against time to conclude a framework before Friday. That means today. The National Assembly is sitting today, and let's see what is the way forward. The Inkatha Freedom Party, the IFP, has already indicated its support for the unity government being put together by the ANC along with the Patriotic Alliance and the DA. So the ANC has already got the DA, the IFP, and the Patriotic Alliance on its side. So it's ANC, DA, IFP, and the Patriotic Alliance. The ANC's National Executive Committee met in Cape Town on Thursday yesterday to hear report backs from its negotiating team. The main person in the negotiating team, Fikile Mbalula, gave this feedback. He told a media briefing that the ANC has achieved a major breakthrough. They've been working right through the night. They've been working extra hours. But the negotiations, even though discussions were held with the MK, Mkhonto we Sizwe Party, and the Economic Freedom Fighters, the EFF, they did not come to an agreement, although intense negotiations were held between all the parties. Nevertheless, the ANC has moved forward. Other parties that have supported the GNU, the Government of National Unity, included the United Democratic Movement, the Freedom Front Plus, and the National Freedom Party. So that means the ANC has now got a broad-based government of national unity. So it's the ANC plus the DA, IFP, Patriotic Alliance, the Freedom Front Plus, and 6 parties have now joined the ANC, the United Democratic Movement, Freedom Plus, and the National Freedom Party, Freedom Front Plus, and the United Democratic Movement. So we just hope that the level heads must work together in its government of national unity, that it must be the best way forward for South Africa. Yes, 100% of people won't be happy. 90% of the people will be happy. There will always be resistance. But we just hope and pray that this is the right way forward for South Africa and for its people. And in conclusion, Mbalula said the following: the ANC is humbled by the fact that the spirit of engagement with all of South Africa's political parties have been characterized by the common commitment to put the interests of the people first. People must come first, and I like that concept. And to ensure that our country comes together to address the common challenges it faces. Let's look forward to a new bright future for South Africa, and let's hope that our sun must shine and people must find a new ANC, a new form of government, and must no longer have the 30 years of difficulties that we had. Now we must learn from each other. ANC must learn from what the DA has done. All of others, we must learn from one another. We've got the best people around the team. Thus, we must regard it as a soccer team. So we've got the best players for the soccer team. We've got the best players from the ANC, the best from the DA, the best from the IFP, the best from the PA, the best from the NDP and UDM, the best from Freedom Front Plus, and the best from the NFP. So we've got top scorers, we've got goal scorers from every team. You must use our brains together to get this country going. So I'm very hopeful and positive. Stay well, look after yourselves, keep going with the news. Today is the National Assembly. Let us see what comes out. But all of them are supporting President Ramaphosa to be the next president. Remember that he is also a businessman. He's a very intelligent, strategic thinker. He was part of the intense negotiation at the time in 1994. With Rolf Meyer, and that's how we got the fabulous, beautiful constitution of South Africa. Let's work together and let's make this South Africa a beautiful place. Let's make it into another Dubai and Singapore. Look after yourself and stay well. Braai vleis, rugby, sunny skies, and BMW. Stay well.